Look what we have found. Alice scrapbooking. Yes, that's Alice in Wonderland. This is from our friend Stamperia out of Hungary. And let me show you what's in this brand new pack. It is got 10 papers that are double-sided, even that one on the front that's padded on the left-hand side, so it opens just like a book. And look at that. So you're going to see the imagery just beautifully done. You can cut this down for making cards, certainly for smaller scrapbooks, also for albums, anything you want to do. Wonderland is better when you are completely lost. And look at the trail of words that's going up. It starts with a long tail, so really, really fun. And on the back side, we've got the hearts, certainly for the Queen of Hearts. There's our white rabbit. Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting is what the text says. And then we've got this collage at the top and the side. Really, really nice. And the back side is more of the cards. And then speaking of cards, you can cut all of these out. And aren't they just wonderful? Very vintage looking and just perfect for Alice's tale. Curiouser and curiouser, this says. Oh dear, I shall be late. A long tail, which is how the story begins, and Wonderland. The back side has got the same sizes, just a little bit plainer in case you need those. Here is Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, and collage of, kind of looks like fabrics, doesn't it? And there's the key, which becomes important to her. And then we've got an all-over pattern. Now here are some more cutouts of her interaction with the Queen of Hearts and all, so you can trim those out. All of the words in this pack are in English, which is really nice. And then you have the same things, just plainer versions on the back side, so you get to choose whatever you like. This is It's Always Tea Time. We're all mad here, so you can see her tea party with the Mad Hatter and the rabbits and so forth. And then on the back, you've got a dot. And then we have lots of teapots and very, very fun. Would you like an adventure now, or shall we have our tea first? And on the back side, plain ones. And then an all over of drink me, eat me. There was a table set out under a tree, so whether you want to cut this apart and use the pieces or use it as a page, it's certainly up to you. And the background is the clovers. And then we've got the Cheshire Cat grinning up in that tree with some words over here that kind of looks tea-stained, and then some collage pieces down at the bottom. And on the back, the same. And then we've got all kinds of playing cards, very fun. On the back side of those cards. And then this is the last page, so very fun. Now, we have found that we have some flowers that will match beautifully with this. And I want to give you the item number for this, so because you won't see them paired right now. So this is item number 4015429. So you can see that beautiful look. And these are, we do have limited quantities, in fact, of both of them, but I wanted to make sure that you saw it. Now, card making, small scrapbooking, albums, lots of possibilities. You can have an adventure with Alice.